Sheesh. Alright, we made it. I don't know if we should stay here or go up further. Where's the car? I think over there somewhere. I can't see it from here too well. Oops. Let's see if we can focus.
You're saying the wrong Jeremy.
Close enough.
But I know it's the wrong. Every time I... What?
They're trying to go on. I think I dropped my wallet.
Yeah, I saw it.
Where's the guy anyway?
Hey, bud, just do me a favor. Just wait here, because Roger's here. You're being able to go. I know, there's bad guys on the local police officer.
Yeah, they seem to be focusing a lot on these bushes right here. Billy, come out. Is that the car right there?
That's the car.
Oh, it is right the car.
That's the car. That's the bad guy's car.
Oh shit! I thought I wasn't paying attention. I thought maybe it was one of the CHP cruisers.
No. He came through here and lost control. I think they're... Did he?
Oh, my dashboard was out.
Oh, good eyes. Yeah, I thought it was.
It's over there a little.
I wasn't paying attention.
That's it right there. See it? See the stop?
Yeah.
That used to be facing this way.
Just popped right through the fence.
Right through the fence, crashed there, then they all ran over there.
Go ahead. Hey, do we have any northeast winds inside the parking lot for the liaison?
Yeah, this is 11L60. I'm in the Sarge. I'm in the parking lot. I can advise what you need.
Alright, sir. Well, we have about less than 5 minutes of fuel left. It sounds like CHP is getting their K9 responding from Pasadena. It doesn't work the hillside. We got 2 out of 3 in custody, but that third one is buried.
I thought there was 4.
We can't detect them. I just want to make sure that we have LAPD at the CP for unified command.
Yeah, Roger. I'll stay over there.
Alright, sir. Yeah, I do have, it looks like 4 units hold Academy for an outer perimeter. There's a chain link fence between the last area you will see the end of the road, and then you was cast down this pretty big there, but that container is unless you be on this one.
Maybe they need some help with this lighting?
5 minutes here, we're getting low on the coaches.
Blind that guy. So that guy get him right there. That one.
Yeah. I don't feel like spreading my butt tonight.
AL60 is up for you. I'm
not for security.
Next year, so
So we were in there and they kicked us out. And the security was worried about us when there's guys in there with possible weapons, and he tried to get in the way, and it was just kind of funny.
You can file a report online.
Hey, airship, we're shot 9-4.
You can tell your boss you did your job.
Where we're at, we're too far out. Yeah, we get like where you're at.
Trying to guilt trip you, but you're professional, right?